Welcome to another episode of Wonders of the World Wide Web. In this episode, we're going to talk about eBay. But what is eBay? eBay stands for Electronic Bay. It's a store and auction house you can visit with your computer. But how does it work? It's easy. Simply type install and select your modem and graphics card. After the installation, eBay will make a connection with your network. This is the online store. When you press the spacebar, you'll enter the building. In the building, you can go two directions with the arrow keys, the grand store or the auction house. I select the right direction to the auction house. Before we enter the auction house, you can set preferences with the eBay terminal. I want to see listings that end soon first. I want all categories. I want secondhand products, so condition, used. What's great about eBay is that you can visit auctions from all over the world. I have no preferred location, so I type the letter N for no. After a couple of minutes loading and downloading, I can browse for auctions. This old violin is damaged, so I'm not going to bid more than $1. A haunted painting by Bill Stoneham for $101? 2 bids, wow! I'm not interested in haunted paintings. Next. A cute Chinese vase. Let me read. Old Ming Xuan. $4.50 for a second-hand vase? I don't think so. Next. Oh, wow! A Mona Lisa! I love that painting. I'm going to bid for this one. The price starts at $125. Pricey, but there are no bids yet. So I press the B to enter the auction room. Wow, there's even an auctioneer. Oh, rats, there are more bidders. The auction ends soon and I'm not the highest bidder, so I press the space bar. The price goes up every time I press the space bar. Oh no, no, my space bar hangs. It's stuck. No! As you can see, I won the auction. A little bit more expensive than I hoped, but soon Mona Lisa will show her mysterious smile in my living room. Maybe I'll see you soon in a different auction room online.